Hi, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. And today I'm shopping at Dollar Tree. And oh my God, they have their pumpkins out. This one is a pumpkin theme because that's what they had out. And that's what we're going to focus on. I love these ceramic ones. They have them in all the colors. And then they have them in definitely the different shades that you want to be looking for. The next up is the pumpkins. These are squishy. They're almost like a little squeeze toy, except for the top has a wooden stem on it. So it's definitely not a toy, but they have them in all the colors. And these are back from last year. I love these. They have the ones with the flowers on them. And then they also have some that say thankful. They're great for centerpieces and decorations. They can always be spread around the house and they're very festive. So, it's time to get ready for fall, so sit back, relax, and enjoy shopping for pumpkins with me. I love these little 3-pack pumpkins. They have little clips on the back, so they're easy to attach to anything you want, and they're just so fun. They have them in all the colors.